Hello, in this video we're going to share some tips on how to assemble this nightstand. But before we get started, here's a few things to keep in mind. Make sure you have a Phillips head screwdriver and optionally a flathead screwdriver, and just make sure all the pieces are facing the right way as you're putting it together and you'll do great. So let's get into it.
Just a quick disclaimer, these tips don't cover every step, so make sure you follow the instructions and complete all the steps in order.
In step 3, we'll be separating the rails, so we'll go ahead and show you how to do that. You just want to take the rails and extend them completely. And then inside there's a little black lever that you'll push in with your finger, and then the rail should slide out like that the rest of the way. And then we're good to set these aside for future steps. And then we're going to skip ahead to step 12 with the drawer. And for these side rails on these pieces here, you just want to make sure that the little tab sticking up is on this edge here. And then in step 13, when we're putting together these pieces, you just want to make sure that these grooves line up all the way around like this. And then in step 14, when we're putting in the bottom of the drawer, we just want to make sure that this finished edge is facing down like this, because that will be the inside of our drawer. So we'll go ahead and slide that in just like that. And then we're good to move on and finish the rest of the steps. We hope this video is helpful for you in assembling your new nightstand. For more guides, tips, and tricks, go to walkeredison.com.